In this lesson, we're going to be looking at another way to improve your code snippet. Sometimes when you have a code snippet, for example, I've created a function that shows alert. What it does is just create a simple UI alert controller. Then I created an action which is an OK and an action that's a cancel, and then I present the alert. So this is just a normal UI alert presentation. So what happened is, if you should save this to your code snippet, even though it's good, but sometimes you need to remind yourself that you should change some of the properties. So for example, maybe on another place, instead of OK, you want to say something like upload. So if you forget to change the title from OK to upload, then of course it doesn't look great. Also, I have come across some situation where I actually forgot to put the action inside of where the action is supposed to take place when I click on OK. That is why it is good to use tokens, so that you can remind yourself exactly what you need to change whenever you bring back the code from the code snippet. So let me show you how that is done. So in order to use a token, let's change this OK button to a token. You've seen the token. Let me show you what tokens are actually. So if I say let alert equals to UI alert controller, and when I select one of this option, you see these placeholders. These placeholders are called tokens. So this is what we're trying to achieve. We're trying to add that to our function so that it's easy to remember. So let me add the token here. In order to add one, you have to do this, and then you have to type your message, change the title, and then put another pound sign and close it. There you go. So that's how you add one. And then here I'm going to say make sure you write the action code here. So this will help us remember where we need to. So as you can see, that's how you add the tokens. So if I copy this code now, let's copy this code, let's add it. Actually, there's only one function. I've selected two functions, so I'm going to select the function and I'm going to drag it to there. I'm going to say show alert code to show UI alert controller, and I'm going to give it completion shortcut of show alert. Okay, enter. So if I should delete this code now and then call it again, so show alert, there you go. If I select that, you see now that if I try to build my app, it's not going to build because this placeholder needs to be changed. Whereas the previous code without the tokens, it will build. So that means that will allow you to actually ship your app with a faulty code if you forget to change the title and write your action. But by putting the tokens here, there's no way you're going to forget, because then it's going to remind you that you have to change the title. So I'm going to change that to OK, and my action is going to be just a print statement. This is the action. So now we can build our app, and it's going to build successfully. So use tokens to remind yourself where to change your code when you add them to the code snippet. Thank you.